Title: CEO in tears over a torn gown before the gala, a single dad stepped in with scissors. Emotional story, 15-minute YouTube pace. The flashbulbs exploded like fireworks as snow drifted onto the red carpet. That was when Elena Hart, 34, billionaire CEO and tonight's gala guest of honor, felt her world tear apart, literally. A sharp rip echoed beneath the music. Her deep crimson gown split at the waist. Gasps rippled through the crowd. Cameras zoomed in. Elena's confident smile vanished. For the first time in years, the woman who commanded boardrooms stood frozen, humiliated, tears burning her eyes. I can't go out like this," she whispered. That's when a voice broke through the chaos. "Give me 2 minutes." A man knelt before her, not a stylist, not security. Daniel Reed, 38, a struggling single father, still wearing his worn winter jacket. He'd been delivering catering supplies when he saw her panic. From his pocket, he pulled out a small pair of scissors and a sewing kit, tools he carried from years of mending his daughter's clothes. Hands steady, eyes focused, Daniel transformed disaster into design. He reshaped the torn fabric into an elegant cut, tying it perfectly. The crowd fell silent. When he stood up, the gown looked intentional. Stunning. Elena looked at her reflection, then at him. Tears fell, this time from gratitude. That night, she didn't just walk the red carpet with confidence. She walked it knowing kindness still existed. And by the end of the gala, Daniel's life, and his daughter's future, changed forever. 10 hyper-realistic image prompts. Character consistency. Character details. Elena Hart, 34 years old, blonde bob haircut, fair skin, wearing a deep red evening gown. Daniel Reed, 38 years old, brown hair, light stubble, wearing a green winter jacket, humble appearance. 1. A 34-year-old blonde female CEO standing on a snowy red carpet, shocked expression, torn red evening gown, paparazzi flashing cameras, cinematic lighting, hyper-realistic, 4K. 2. 38-year-old single father kneeling with scissors, focused expression, repairing a torn gown, luxury hotel entrance at night, snow falling, ultra-realistic. 3. Close-up of trembling hands holding fabric and scissors, dramatic tension, shallow depth of field, cinematic realism. 4. Crowd of photographers frozen mid-flash, luxury gala background, emotional atmosphere, hyper-realistic 4K. 5. CEO with tears in her eyes, looking down in disbelief, elegant makeup, soft lighting, snowflakes visible. 6. Single dad concentrating intensely, worn jacket contrasted with luxury setting, emotional realism. 7. Transformation moment. Gown reshaped elegantly, CEO's posture changing from fear to confidence. 8. Wide shot of red carpet at night, snowfall, paparazzi, hotel lights glowing warmly. 9. CEO and single dad sharing a quiet emotional glance amid chaos, cinematic framing. 10. Final confident walk on the red carpet, repaired gown flowing beautifully, triumphant mood, ultra-realistic. CEO package. 150-word CEO description. A powerful emotional story unfolds when a billionaire CEO faces public humiliation moments before a grand gala. As cameras flash and snow falls, her torn gown threatens to destroy everything, until an unexpected hero steps forward. A struggling single father, armed with nothing but kindness and a pair of scissors, changes her night forever. This heart-touching story of humanity, compassion, and quiet courage proves that true wealth lies in empathy, not status. Perfect for fans of emotional storytelling, inspirational short films, and viral kindness stories, this cinematic narrative will leave you in tears and restore your faith in people. A must-watch tale where a small act creates a life-changing miracle. 15 keywords, separated, emotional story, kindness story, CEO story, single father story, red carpet drama, inspirational video, touching moments, viral short film, humanity stories, emotional gala, life-changing moment, sad to happy story, inspirational short, heart-touching story, kindness miracle. 15 hashtags, 1 line. Hashtag emotional story, hashtag kindness matters, hashtag CEO story, hashtag single dad, hashtag heart-touching, hashtag inspirational, hashtag viral story, hashtag humanity first, hashtag life-changing, hashtag short film, hashtag tearjerker, hashtag goodness, hashtag hope stories, hashtag kindness wins, hashtag emotional video. 15 tags. Emotional story, kindness video, CEO emotional, single dad hero, red carpet story, inspirational short film, viral emotional video, humanity stories, touching moment, gala drama, feel-good story, sad to happy, kindness act, motivational story, real-life inspiration. If you want, I can also rewrite this for short-form reels. Add dialogue-heavy cinematic version. Create a click-optimized YouTube title and thumbnail text. Just tell me thumbs up.